Good morning, students. So, in social, we are discussing block 22, our government. In that, today we are going through with LP3, organs of the government. Aim of the LP3 is to identify the organs of the government. In previous lesson, we have discussed about the central government and state government, right, students? And why we need two levels of government we have discussed. So you know that the central government, it will take care of the matters related to this country's security or defense that concern the whole country, right? So these are the responsibilities of central government, and whereas the state government, it will take care of the state. Okay, so we need a two types of government, and today we will deal or discuss with the organs of the government. Okay, so the keywords are laws, executive, legislature, judiciary. So these are the keywords that you have to write in your classwork. Here students, now we will just imagine that we will divide the few students into three groups. Okay, and first one will think about some problems that we have in our country, right? And you have to make a new law for that problem. Okay, new law means set of rules you have to make for that problem. Okay, and the second group will think of ways to make sure that everyone follow the law. Second one group, what they have to see, they have to see that the first group made the law na, that law should be followed by all of us. Okay, then third group think of the action. If no, some are not following that law, then third group should think of that action for those who will break that law. Okay, so these any for a one any one problem, think of the today's what are the problem we are facing. For that you have to make the law. Example for present situations like problems of getting job, corruption, getting medical help for poor, and children working in factories, right? Children's begging in the street. Okay, so these are the some of the problems of today. For this problem you have to make the law, and you have to set up the actions also who will not follow this law. Okay, so think of it, just you imagine and you think what law can we make to for these problems. Okay, so students, what actually laws? Okay, laws are, and who will take care of this all? If someone is not following that law, who will punish us and who will take care? So laws are enforced by the government to us, and who will take care? With the help of police and courts. If someone are not following the laws, then it is the duty of the police, right? He will take care of that, and the court and the police, they will punish us if we are not following the law. For a small example and best example, traffic police make sure that everybody follow the traffic rules, right? If those who break this law are punished, otherwise the law has no meaning, right or not? If we are sudden keeping only laws and no one are following, in any direction we are going, no one is asking for us, then what is the meaning of making the law, right? So laws are there. Example, traffic rules, that we have to stop at the traffic signals, right? And we have to go in one way only. Some of the rules are there in the traffic. So those rules we are following or not, who will enforce us? The traffic police will take care of that one. If we are someone is not following, you know that they will have a challan, or if more violent we behave, we may go to the jail also. So these things are taken care by police and the court. Okay, and okay students, so these are about law. And just I told you to just imagine some of the laws, right? So same like that, how one group is deciding the laws or making the law, second group is taking care that all are uh, following that law or not, then third group will take care of that, if someone are not following, what action they may take, right? So these we have divided into the groups na. Same like that the government also divided. Okay, some levels are there, some organs are there, right? So they will take care. Example, legislature. Okay, in this legislature makes the law. What the legislature will do, that group will make the law. Okay, and next one is executive. Then executive, here what the executive will do, they will carry out the laws. Okay, in carry out laws, who will take it, like they will pass out the laws and all are following or not, it will see that one. Okay, and next one is that judiciary takes the action against those who will breaks the law, right? So in judiciary means it is the court will come. Okay, so these are the three organs of the government, right? See, if these organs are there, then it will be easy to that one group will take care of that, one group will makes the law, second one will carry out these laws, and third one will take care, if anyone is breaking that law they will punish, right? So these are the organs of the government. So here now all of you open page number 32, write today's date, student. So here fill in the boxes after discussing in the group. So here students, what law did you make? So just you imagine that I told you that some of the problems and you have to make the law. You can take anything, children begging in the street or children working in the factories, and getting medical help for the poor, right? Poor people, they will not get medical help properly. So what law can we make? So based on this situation you can make one law. Then next one, how can we carry out, then how can we carry this law, that you have to see, right? And next one is, what will you do if someone breaks the law? If someone breaks, then how can we take care of that, how can we punish them, that one you have to write. Okay, and next one, second question is, you have to write the organs of the law. Just now I shown you na from the content book, this thing only you have to write here, right? So here we have finished L3. Now we will go through LP4.